Got the key and the wine. Let's close the stand. You guys, the wind has kicked up and dropped the temperature a little bit. It has been, I'm not gonna lie, I know it's been a crazy day at the stand. I'm pretty confident we're pretty close to sold out because it was just, by 10 o'clock, I was out of cinnamon rolls. People are messaging me. Okay, the wind, we've got signs down everywhere. But let's see how close we got or if we sold out. Okay, we are 3 cookies shy of a bakery sellout on this side. And let's see what the other side looks like. Just a handful of candied pecans. Holy cow, that wind is cold, you guys. And 2 eggs. And I didn't show you guys this morning, but we had 14 eggs in there. And sometimes, like I told you, eggs are so hit or miss. But let's check notes. Holy cow. Okay, the wind is insane. Oh gosh, I did not bring a jacket because I didn't know it was this cold. So excited to try your sourdough. Came from Arvada when I found you on TikTok. Well, hello, whoever you are, and thank you so much for coming up here to the Hot Mess Express. But thank you for driving from Arvada. We used to live in Arvada. I love Arvada. Bread with a mix of cheeses. Okay, I like that idea. Strawberry cream cheese bread. Okay, I got some creative people in the comments section. I like it. Handwritten comments section, by the way. I would love some more lemon bread if you ever make it again. Sherry. Thanks, Sherry. Okay. Notes are my favorite, you guys. Oh, my sign fell. Let me put that back. Oh no, Smart Chicken. I'm coming. Don't go down, girl. Don't go down. We got you, girl. Smart Chicken almost went down. Ooh, I need my jacket. Oh my gosh. My. Okay. Spring wind doesn't want me to do videos. Hustle. Oh, way over there. 2 seconds away from giving up on this recording business in this wind. Are you kidding? I don't know if I'm clever enough to do this. Crap, your sign. Don't go down on me. You guys. Good thing we don't turn how many times Carly's phone dropped in this video into a drinking game. We have 3 cookies, 5 pecans, and 2 eggs. Do I open that for people? Would you be irritated if you came out to the stand and that's all you had to offer? We are going to have to up next weekend for a lot of reasons. We have a community garage sale, and I've had multiple weekends of the 30 loaves selling out, so I think that's an indicator. I told you guys, if I had multiple weekends of selling out of 30 loaves, I would bump it back up to 40. So we need to do that. We're going to bump it back up to 40, and I'm on the fence about opening for Mother's Day tomorrow morning. We'll see. I'll put totals on the screen. Cheers.